Hi, I'm at the Oceanside Inn today in room 305 and 306. This is the view from both rooms. You've got your courtyard, your pool, and the ocean. They are renovating, so the exterior will be changing and upgraded on this unit. But this particular side has 2 beds, your little TV area, and then this has a little kitchenette area that's kind of hidden away here as furniture. You've got your counter space, your sink, your microwave, all your dish storage. Then they've hidden away the refrigerator freezer here. You've got drawers to put all your utensils, and of course the kitchen trash. This has a fold down top in the back, so if you want to hide everything away, you can certainly do that and no one will even know you have a kitchenette. So nice, spacious room, just a couple steps from the beach. When we go next door to the adjoining room, this one is set up so that it has a king size bed. You've got a nice area there. You've got a little bigger area here to utilize for a sitting area, so you could certainly change this out, get a nice sofa, pull out couch, just depending what you need, how do you want to utilize that space. And then this one does not have a kitchenette, but you still have your basics of your microwave, coffee maker, refrigerator, freezer. The entertainment center also doubles as an armoire. So you've got closet space on either side, drawers down the middle. So plenty of room to unpack and enjoy. Both of them have identical bathrooms. So you've got just your basic bathroom, beige tile floor, subway style tile in the tub area, and then you've got your vanity. So everything you need. So again, if you're interested in this, give me a call, Karen Kellerman, 386-243-2000.